Hello YouTube, I'm back today with another video on it's a how-to video on how to make a YouTube channel art or banner, whichever one you call it. Usually the only app you need for this is PicMonkey. That's basically it. Whatever pictures you got or whatever pictures you want to use, you could get them or make them, or just download any random picture from Google like I did. So let's get into it. First off, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more upcoming videos in the future. So let's get into this. Uh, I want you guys to leave in the comments which videos you would like me to play and some ideas to post up for PlayStation. So that'll be much appreciated. Let's see. Accept. Get started. Alright, first you want to click blank canvas. This is how I made my cover panel. Click blank canvas. Whoops. Alright, so click background. Here, you could choose a color or anything. You could choose any color you want out of these colors. But today, we can, or you could make your own color. But today we can use them black. Press OK at the top. Next, you have patterns here. You can select any patterns here. They have bunch of patterns here, which is really nice. They have different patterns for you to choose from, or I think you can make your own pattern at the end over here. No. Well, what's the pattern we can be sticking with? Let me see which pattern we're using for today. uh this we be sticking with this video. You could even change the color of it. Like I say, we're gonna blue here. You could even put the brightness of it up or down. We can put this up. Press OK. Next, the size. The size is very important. Very important. They have uh different sizes here for Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, Pinterest. I think that's what they're called. I think that's what they're called. Instagram, Twitter. I don't know what this one is. I really don't know what this one is. Snapchat. And here's YouTube. This part is the most important part, because if you don't select this right, YouTube won't let you put uh YouTube won't let you put up we call a cover photo up here. So you can select a channel icon. You can make that on here if you want, but then we only come here for YouTube cover. So this is the most important part. You gotta pick this part. I don't know what that E stands for. I never saw it for my life, but let's get into the special key at the top. Then a little bit click is next at the top. Okay, next just follow what I do, and everything will be okay. Okay, you get crop, adjust, effects, touch up, cutout, text, other things. You even got draw. I think you could actually draw your own stuff there. But okay, just click graphics right here with the little close icon, and this where you could add your different type things. Go to subscribe button right here. We could put that right there, and you could even put transform, all these other things. I never use transform, so I really don't know what that for. But press the little ghost icon here in the corner left hand side again, left bottom hand side again. Get out another photo. Put the subscribe button. Put that right up there. And like I say, you could add as much as you want. Click add again, and you could add anything. Let me see which I use any one of my photos. I can use this. Use this. We can enlarge in that. Press that there. You can select these to put it over the thing. Make these a little bigger. Like and subscribe. Slide that over there. Slide that in the corner there. Wait, let me do this a little smaller. I don't want it too big where you can't see the picture. And there you have it. Click next. You could crop out the picture if you want, making it into anything, but like I say, this is the YouTube cover size for it. Anything too big or too small, it ain't gonna really fit inside there, so you could cut it out if you want in any shape or anything, but we're not gonna do that. That's basically it, and all you have to do is press save on the top right hand side. Press save. Here this you can have save the photos, hub or more. Let's see what more says. So you can save to the anything here which you want to save to, being able to do that. Click save again. And this time we can press save to photos. Much such picture, much save. Picture save. That's basically it. That's how you create a YouTube cover if you want to put up a cover on the YouTube page. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching my video to the end. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, click the notification bell to get posted up with all my future videos, guys. Take care, and I'll see you later.